Hello to all. Question today is this. 5 divided by 2 times open parenthesis 1 plus 1 close parenthesis. First, inside the parenthesis we solve. 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and the expression becomes 5 divided by 2 times 2. Then 2 times 2 becomes 4, and as a result 5 divided by 4 becomes 5/4. But this answer is completely wrong because to the PEMDAS rule we did not pay attention. The rule that comes to our aid here is the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a simple way to remember the order of mathematical operations. The letter P stands for parentheses. The letter E stands for exponents. The letters M and D stand for multiplication and division. And finally, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So in short, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, and the expression becomes 5 divided by 2 times 2. After the parentheses, in this expression it's time for multiplication and division, which we must solve from left to right. So 5 divided by 2 equals 5/2, and finally 5/2 times 2. The 2 cancels out with the 2, and our final correct answer is 5. Now let's move on to a tricky question. The question is, open parenthesis 30 plus 6 close parenthesis minus 12 divided by 3 times 4. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses. 30 plus 6 equals 36, and the expression becomes 36 minus 12 divided by 3 times 4. At this point, it's time for multiplication and division, which we solve from left to right. So, 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and 4 times 4 equals 16. Finally, it's time for subtraction. 36 minus 16 equals 20. If you want to get smarter every day and challenge yourself, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, goodbye.